Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Carmel Asha, and today I just wanted to focus on, I guess you can say, everyday makeup. Simple everyday makeup, okay? This was kind of a continuation from my highlighting and contouring video to my lash video, and obviously I wanted to wrap it up by finishing off my face. So I kept it very simple. But the great thing about that is it was a good way to show you guys that you don't have to do a whole lot to have a really beautiful, glowy, finished look. And that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. Like with a cute lip, some really banging highlight, and and some lashes, of course, and you can look really super cute and put together without even doing any eyeshadow, really. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the routine. Okay, all right. All right, guys, so that is the end of my routine, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, quick, easy, everyday makeup routine, all right? Like I said, I honestly would say that what really makes this look is that beautiful, glowy, loose highlighter from Juvia's place, okay? I definitely recommend that stuff. That stuff is bomb, okay, guys? It is beautiful, it is gorgeous, and it gives you just that right amount of glow. It really is beautiful. And yeah, and that lip was also pretty cute. That was a lip tint. I don't always use lip tints. I'm mostly like a matte lipstick type of girl or a lip gloss type of girl. I very rarely use lip tint, but I was really digging that lip tint. I gotta say, it was super cute once it all came together. And that was basically that. So anyway, guys, I will go ahead and list the products that I use in the comment box below, okay? And if you like this video, please like it. And if you have any comments, as always, I would love to hear your comments. If you have any ideas for any other videos that you would like to see, please let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe, guys. Seriously. And that's that. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.